Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Sonic. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include passenger vanity mirror, AAA steering wheel stereo kind group, front floor mats, iPod MP3 input, auto-off headlights, adjustable steering wheel, AAA power windows group, AAA power locks group, and rear reading lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.